If you look at LIC as well, so LIC is one such domestic institution investor which has huge shareholding in Adani Group stocks. And in the previous two sessions, LIC has lost more than 16,000 crore rupees. So, what are your thoughts on LIC stock?
I believe LIC in 2020, when they bought Adani Enterprises stock at 350, at that point of time, I think probably they were more convinced, and that is how they bought it. Suppose if forget about Friday's fall in the current market price, even at current market price, also I think they are probably making, I think how many number of times gain, I think that one can calculate. But from 350 to 4,000 journey, and maybe 2,800 now, whatever. So I guess I think they are still not lost any money, according to me. And that is where probably I think this institution example should be taken from investment point of view. They are the ones I think who take the investment from the long term point of view, and they invest when they are convinced. So obviously, I think if they were convinced at 350, and if they are convinced, I think at today, I'm sure I think you can probably count how exactly the future is looking like for this particular investment. I am particularly remaining more confident because, as I said, that when infrastructure assets start generating cash, it is the time that I think you buy those assets because there you get the clarity for next 20 to 30 years for your investment. And that's what typically the insurance companies are asking for. So I think quite a substantial gain that they have made. Maybe I think the current fall in the market could possibly recover, and I think they can get restored that particular gain in due course of time.
Okay, and what about ACC and Ambuja Cements?
Again, I think the Ambuja Cement per se is a cash holding company, I believe. And I think the company remains absolutely fundamentally very strong. ACC Ambuja combined is basically the second largest capacity that you have in the cement in the country. And given the kind of logistic ability that Adani Group has got, I think between the west side and the eastern ports that they have got, according to me, the transportation of cement and the cost thereon, I think, will significantly, I think, get reduced because of this ability that they have. On one side, you have got the mining rights, wherein I think you are mining the limestone. Other side, I think you are participating in infrastructure story where you are selling cement. So, from the business perspective, both are cash generating assets, significantly large assets, have potential to grow further big from the current level. And I believe that I think investment in these particular assets, whichever way you look at it, I think remains I think strong proposition, given the kind of infrastructure growth that the country is having. We must remember one thing that India is going to spend 110 lakh crores on infrastructure in 10 years' time, of which 7.5 lakh crore last year budget has provided. This year budget, I think, could possibly be well above that sum. So from that point of view too, I would believe that I think anything which is connected to infrastructure, and if it is well funded and I think well disciplined as far as I think execution is concerned, I think that the investors will make money out of it over a longer period of time.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.